Hello, everybody, coming to you from Shoreline. It is overcast, and that is when I just applied sunscreen, so we will see how this goes. How are you doing? I'm doing well. So, how do I say this? Let's see. So, I had an experience yesterday, and this is the lesson that I got out of it. So I was tending to my eye care and I felt that there was something in my eye and I was trying to remove it and it started getting painful and I washed my eye out, took the proper precautions, only to realize that, okay, let me stop, only to realize that something in my intuition said stop. Let's wait till the morning. Let me call the eye doctor to see what has happened. Well, my intuition had served me well because when I went to the eye doctor this morning, I had done some damage to my eye. The reason I share this with you is not because I want to make you queasy or feel unsettled of any sort, but this is about intuition. This is about being aware, having knowledge, and knowing that when you don't feel right about something, to trust your gut. Many times, more often than none, this happens that people have that feeling that we have a premonition, an intuition, or a gut feeling that many times we don't follow. Why is that? Do we want to have our subconscious go into the rebellious stage where we think something could be happening, we think something might go on, we think we might be in danger of some sort, but let's just ignore it? Our bodies and our minds and our intuition and conscience are created to give you that heightened awareness, to give you that nudge. Wait a minute, don't go there. Wait a minute, stop what you're doing. Wait a minute, this is not going to turn out well. So I encourage you, when you get that feeling of uncertainty, that feeling of fear, that feeling of not knowing whether or not you should proceed or go somewhere, trust your intuition. Because your intuition and your gut will steer you right. We are all frequency beings. You've heard me mention this before. And when we get that feeling or sensation of what they call in Star Wars, that famous quote all throughout, I have a bad feeling about that, trust it. It may be the higher power, the higher source, your creator, whatever you believe, kind of tapping you on the shoulder and saying, heighten your awareness. Be mindful. Think before you act. Think before you speak. Think before you become proactive in whatever you choose. I encourage you and I request you to tap into that intuition. That's our sixth sense that will help us in survival. So what is that sixth sense? That sixth sense is that uncertainty or those butterflies, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent, where you trust your gut, trust your intuition, and know that you are doing everything in your power. So trust your gut, trust your intuition. Make sure that the feelings, the sensations, and you've heard me say this before, put your hand over your heart. Ask your questions. Is this right for me? Is this something that I should be doing? Weigh your options and see if it's beneficial. What is the outcome? What is the best that can happen? What is the worst that can happen? And when you start processing and taking that 3 to 5 seconds quick analysis, your heart, your intuition, your gut, whatever you believe will steer you right all the time. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, coming to you from the mountains and shoreline of nature. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Be well.